Maths challenge. Can you solve it? Put the correct answer in the comments. Hello everyone, welcome to Saze Maths. Today we are solving 4 minus 4 divided by 2. Hello everyone, welcome to Saze Maths. Today we are solving 4 minus 4 divided by 2 in parentheses raised to power 2. We have parentheses here, we have subtraction, we have division. When we have different operations like this, the best way to solve this kind of question easily is by following the order of operation called PEMDAS. P here stands for parentheses, bracket. That is, we're going to solve everything in the bracket first, followed by E will stand for exponent, something like 2 square. After that, we will solve this, and then we follow by multiplication and division. You work from left to right, and finally you solve the addition and the subtraction. You work from left to right. Looking at the parentheses, we have division there, so we're going to begin with this division. So 4 divided by 2 will give us 2. We have a new equation inside this parenthesis, which is now 4 minus, this one is gone, it became what? 2 raised to power 2. Now 4 minus 2 will give us 2 raised to power 2, and then 2 raised to power 2 will give us 4. This is the correct answer. The common mistake people make here is that they do this subtraction before this division.